Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to turn off Chrome notifications. First, open your Chrome browser and click the three vertical dots in the top right corner to access the menu. From there, select Settings to begin adjusting your notification preferences. This initial step is crucial for gaining control over intrusive alerts and improving your browsing experience. We'll guide you through the exact path to silence those pings and pop-ups, ensuring a more focused digital environment. Once in Settings, look for Privacy and Security on the left-hand side menu. Click on this option, then proceed to Site Settings. This area allows you to manage various permissions for websites you visit. Within Site Settings, you'll find a dedicated section labeled Notifications. This is where you'll gain granular control over which sites can send you alerts and how those alerts behave, giving you the power to customize your online interactions. Inside the Notifications section, you'll see a toggle that says sites can ask to send notifications. To block all future requests, simply switch this toggle to the off position. Alternatively, you can scroll down to the block and allow lists. Here, you can manually add or remove specific websites, giving you precise control over which sites can send you notifications and which cannot. This flexibility ensures you only receive alerts from sources you truly value. With these adjustments, your Chrome browser will now be significantly quieter, free from the constant interruptions of unwanted notifications. Remember to periodically review your notification settings, especially if you visit new websites, to maintain your preferred level of digital peace. Taking control of your notifications enhances your focus and productivity. Also, for more great tips and deals, including a link to the Owala water bottle, check out the description below this video. Enjoy a more serene browsing experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.